Hello students, now I will explain you very important topic in science. It is called light. It is also called optics. Study of light is called optics. So first thing we have to know what is light. The common or basic definition of light is a form of energy which causes sensation of vision. In this chapter, we shall study only the phenomena of reflection and refraction. But only reflection एंड रिफ्रैक्शन फेनोमेना लाइट में नहीं है. लाइट में बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट है और फेनोमेना है. दीज आर डिस्पर्सन, रेक्टिलिनियर प्रोपागेशन, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, डाइफ्रैक्शन, इंटरफेरेंस, पोलराइजेशन, फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट एट्सेट्रा. To explain dispersion, rectilinear propagation, total internal reflection, we have to assume or consider light as traveled in a straight line. This phenomena comes under ray optics. Here we consider that light traveled in a straight line or straight path. But to explain interference, polarization, diffraction, we have to consider the wave nature of light or light traveled as a wave. This comes under wave optics, and we cannot explain photoelectric effect by assuming ray optics or and wave optics. That means wave nature of light. To explain photoelectric effect, we have to consider light is a particle or in the form of packets called photons or quanta. But in this 10th class, we only study two phenomena of light. These are reflection and refraction. Okay. We explain reflection and refraction by using light traveled as a straight line. So first thing we have to know the laws of what is reflection. Reflection means when a light fall on a polished surface, then it comes back. That means when a light incident on a polished surface, then it is reflected back. This is a polished surface, and this is an incident ray. When the ray of light incident on this polished surface on this point, then it is reflected like this. This is reflected ray, and this line is normal line. To measure the incident angle and reflected angle, normal line is very essential. So we already familiar with laws of reflection in previous classes. Let us recall it. First law, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This is angle of incidence. When incident ray incident on a polished surface, then it forms or it makes an angle, incident angle with normal. So this is called incident angle and this is called reflected angle. So incident angle, angle of incidence and angle of reflection is equal. First law. Second law, the incident ray, this is incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, it is normal to the mirror. So the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence and the reflected ray lie in a same plane. This is the laws of reflection. Another concept, you all familiar with it. These are that image formed by the plane mirror, the characteristic of image formed by the plane mirror. First properties, it is virtual and erect. That means image is imaginary image, not real image. Then size of the image equal to size of the object. Third point, image is formed as far behind the mirror as the object in front of it. That means image distance equal to from the mirror equal to object distance from the mirror. And the image is laterally inverted. That means object left becomes right and right becomes left. Clear? In next video, this is introductory video. In next video, I will briefly explain the image characteristic of image formed through the spherical mirrors and mirror formula and solving some problems. Just follow, subscribe my channel and like this video. I will explain everything. Thank you.